First I'm cooking chicken.
That is it right there. Yes, no man, welcome back to another video. Don't know it's your boy Nigel and we're out here again for another adventure.
We're on the boat. I didn't even know we was going on the boat today. I'm well happy with that.
Reggie never knows that we are going on a boat today, so watch the process. So we are go over by Lime Key. So we are going to do some cooking and build our vibes, alright? So watch the process. Yeah! So we're going out there. One Reggie in our place. So I reach out there, so we're going Lime Key. So I reach out there and tell you guys what we are going to be doing today, alright? Watch the process. You have anything you want to say?
No, not yet. No, I don't know. You put me on the spot. No, I don't know.
Alright, him speechless. We soon checking back on him, alright? Yeah man, one Reggie, one risky Reg. No, that's not it.
Over.
Yeah, it's further around. Yo, the sea is rough.
It's a choppy one today, mate.
It's a choppy one.
The jet skis up.
Yeah. Yo, watch out. People. Yo. One at a time I feel my heart leave my body straight to my head. But yeah, we're heading out there. Right, so we almost reach the island. Yeah man. Ready, Reg. But people, it's a very bumpy ride. Not gonna lie. The boat go up and down, up and down, up and down. Very bumpy. Yeah man. We're here, Reg. Yeah man. Alright, we reach on the island. So what's the plan today now? What we're gonna do? We're gonna do some jerk chicken on the open fire. You see it, me and Reg. So I'm gonna show Reg how it's done. Alright? Hold on. So, I want you to watch the process and see if we do it right. Alright? So some jerk chicken. Believe it.
I'm ready.
Yeah.
Let's do this.
So we're watch the process, alright? So the boat leave we out here, so we're stranded on the island, so we don't know.
No choice. We've got no choice to survive.
Yeah. So we have to go try survive. Alright? So I'm gonna show you the stuff that we get, what we have, and thing. But right there, so I go be with spot. And then we can hold some swim. You get me? Believe it. Right? So we are good there now. We have the chicken right here, so I'm gonna put it for thaw out. You get me? I'm gonna put it in our pan, so. Deep one, thaw. Right? Believe. Watch the process. Right, so this is what we're gonna grill the chicken on. But I did have a grill iron thing that to put on it to do the grill the chicken on, but I forgot it in the car and we are way miles away from the car. So what I'm gonna have to do now, I have to go get some stick and put on top of it and then put the chicken on it to roast. But that's how it goes sometime. Right? So watch the process. Oh, Reggie the man! Reggie find something, people.
That's perfect, yeah, that's good, isn't it?
Yeah, this is perfect, man. So all we're gonna have to do is just clean this up.
Yeah!
Reggie man! Reggie my man! Yeah! Reggie search and Reggie find the grill. So chicken are gonna woo, woo. So this is real survival, man. Yeah man, survival. So Reggie search a place till he find it. Right? That is it. One Reggie. You went on the other side?
Yeah, I went over.
Go take a look around here, so this island is called Lime Cay. There's nothing on the island. It's just trees surrounded by the ocean. Right? So you don't know me can't make Reggie come to Jamaica and leave Jamaica without come survive out here. So for the day and do some Jamaican jerk chicken the right way. But one thing I forgot to bring though, my fishing rod and reel. But next time we are come back out here, come do a camping. If you don't want to see camp out here, comment down below. Yeah. This side even cooler, man. Look at it. Yeah, this side is cooler than that
It's
side.
nice, it's cooler, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
Bit more windy, it's nicer.
Yeah. That's Kingston over there. I don't know if you guys can see all those rising buildings. That's Jamaica over there. Right now we're not in Jamaica. We are somewhere else. Yeah, we're close to Jamaica. So Reggie, we are not in Jamaica right now, Reg.
We're not in Jamaica?
No, we're not in Jamaica. We're on a different island. Alright? So yeah, believe it. Watch the process. Soon go in the water, go hold some swim. We have some cargo ship around that side. So there's nothing on the island. Nothing at all, only trees. There's no fruit tree though. No fruit trees, nothing at all. Right? So we're gonna try to survive with what we have. Chicken and a few seasoning. Got one knife.
I'll let you do this bit because I've never cut a chicken before.
You never cut a chicken before? Alright. So we're gonna cut him in half. Just like that.
Still look at my camera as well. The chicken's now defrosted.
Yeah.
We're slicing that stuff up, baby.
Then we'll cut right in here. That is it.
Funny as your aunt Bob's your uncle. You had that one before?
Yeah.
Yeah? You heard that before?
Yeah.
I've only just learned how to say it. I used to say it back to front.
Right, so what we're doing, we're not removing the fat.
This bit?
Yeah, we're not removing
I
this part.
like that bit, it's nice.
Yeah, man. So only thing we're gonna do, we're gonna remove the membrane, which is these stuff.
What's that?
The membrane.
Membrane?
Yeah, membrane, yeah.
That's nice.
Get rid of those.
Can you eat it?
You can.
But it's just
but
not.
Yeah, but we don't. I don't know. Alright, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna take off the wing. Normally you'd leave the wing on it, but we're gonna take it off. Get the wing off. Yeah. Look at this. So we're done cut up the chicken there again. One Reggie in our plate.
I'm sweating out, mate. It's bloody hot on this island.
Yeah.
We're going in Jamaica no more. We're like right in the depths of the Caribbean.
Yeah.
And then sharks all surrounding us.
Mm-hmm.
Shark mate, hoo-ah.
Alright, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna bore the chicken up so that when we season it, the season go inside of the meat.
Oh, got you. Yeah. So it goes inside.
Yeah, and make it more easier to cook as well. So the heat can penetrate the chicken. Penetrate inside.
Penetration with that now.
Yeah. So we choke it up like that.
Jerk it.
Yeah, man. Joke. Alright, so what we did now, we bring a bottle of water with us, and Reggie gonna get the chicken washed.
Wash that bad boy up.
Yeah, wash that bad boy up. And then when we wash it, we're gonna season it.
Well, how much you fill up?
Yeah, fill it up. Fill it up. More water. Alright. That is it, boy. Look at that. Alright, so you're just gonna just wash it.
Wash it.
Yeah, just like that. Just take your time though. We don't want to get the skin off.
Oh, okay.
One Reggie.
This is new to me. First time cooking chicken on a deserted island is mental.
Welcome to Jamaica, bro. That's how we do it here. So we get the chicken wash off now, so I season, regular season. Reggie I go wash off and take the table. Yeah. Just like that. Right, so we're gonna get the seasoning them out of the pan now. Ready, Reg?
Yeah, man.
Alright. So this is what we have right here. So we have a red stripe beer, we have a jerk seasoning, we have another, this jerk seasoning right here, this one is the wet jerk seasoning, this one is the dry, and we have a chicken seasoning, and we have some ketchup. The beer is to give it some flavor as well. Alright, that is it. So we're gonna pull them and we're gonna pour them in and let Reggie mix it.
Well, the beer's going in it as well.
Yeah, man, some of the beer are going in it as well.
Cool.
Give it a flavor. Alright,
What shall I open?
stay tuned. One, Reg.
How to do the first little bit.
Yeah, so I'm gonna show him how to do the first little bit, and then he's gonna take over. All right. So first you're gonna put some of these on it, just like that. Same thing with this, but this one is the wet jerk seasoning.
Yeah.
Normally we make it ourselves,
With
but
the sauce.
yeah, the sauce.
Yeah,
but
but-
we'd have to have a blender to
Yeah,
blend up
yeah.
all the ingredients.
And it wouldn't be surviving.
Yeah,
Cheating.
yeah. So we don't have a blender, so that one. So that we're gonna do. So you can go ahead now, Reg, and do your thing. Reg's gonna season it up now. Reg add some of the Maggi jerk seasoning. Yeah, add some more to it, man. Yeah, man, cause it's a whole lot of chicken we have. Alright, next one now. That is it.
It's looking tasty.
As a chef, man.
As a chef, man.
Yeah, shake it. Shake it harder. Like up and down, yeah. Or pull it off, and then you just pull it off. Yeah. Yeah, like that. Yeah, man. Look at that, people. One Reggie. So we'll let Reggie season up the chicken.
Season that jerk.
Some jerk chicken right from the Eden Island here in Jamaica. Yeah. Right? So you can just get your hand washed off, and then we're gonna make the fire. Alright, so we're done seasoning up the chicken, so we're going in there, yeah? Sure, no? That is it right there. Well, nice and proper. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna make the fire.
Make fire?
Yeah, we're gonna make the fire. So Reggie find this grill. Big up to Reg. Yeah, man, him find that grill and walk out the whole island and find this. So now we're gonna put the coal in it and get it lighting. Right? Watch the process. So this is where we're gonna be jerking the chicken, right here in this tree. And Reggie up there. So we're gonna get the fire set up, alright? Watch the process. Look who made the fire, guys.
Firefly. No, I'm a firefly, man. I used to love making fires when I was younger.
Oh, Reggie made the fire.
Yeah, mate. The firefly.
Firefly. There's fire, guys. We did have to move the stove from here earlier to bring it up there to catch it. So now it's catch, and we're bringing it back to our spot. So this is gonna be where we're gonna be jerking our chicken, right in this tree. Right? Look at it. I forgot to mention, we have a pineapple, and this pineapple was picked up by Reg.
Yeah, I really fancy the pineapple.
Yeah, man.
This is the smallest pineapple I've ever seen, though. Are they all this size here?
No, not all of them is not the same
In the UK,
size.
they're like this.
Yeah, we have some big like those as well here in Jamaica, but you have to find those like in the countryside, like going to Old Sirius or going to Portland, St. Mary.
It's definitely going to be better than the ones in England, anyway.
Yeah, man, way bigger.
The ones in England are probably made in the factory.
Oh, factory pineapple.
Probably.
Oh, these are nature pineapple. No factory around here. So can you peel it? Do you know how to peel it?
Unfortunately not.
All right, so I'm gonna peel it for Reg. Like Reg get some Jamaican pineapple. I hope this one is from Jamaica though. Yeah. We're gonna check on the fire because we have this fire over there in that tree. Let's go check on it and see. Wait to go on with and see if the chicken them ready to go on the grill. Yeah. Look at that. Alright, I think we can put like 2 chicken on it. Look at that. I have the chicken on it right now. So I put like 3 pieces of the chicken on it. So we have a breast, the leg and thigh, and we have the wing. Alright? Just like that. Some outside Jamaican jerk chicken. Right? Believe it. Like how the chicken over there is go and jerk, we're going to peel the pineapple what we have, alright? So, one Reggie. So, we're going to do it the Jamaican way. Anyway, I don't know the England way, so Reggie gonna show us the England way.
Well, it's got a pineapple.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Now you're gonna eat it.
You gotta show me the Jamaican way.
Yeah, gonna show you how we peel it. Yeah. So this is it. Normally, there's a lot more spring like this. So we normally cut it away.
Bit of cross-contamination, we don't need no red balls or green balls out here.
Yeah.
Just dip that in the sea, give it a wipe, brand new.
Right. So we clean them like that, don't it? Normally cut off right here. So that's how you peel pineapple, people. Let me know down in the comment, yeah. Right then we peel away. I guess you can peel it any way you want to. So we're just getting off that all the skin first.
I've learned so much there. I've learned how to cook chicken, marinate chicken. Now I don't know how to cut a pineapple. You must think I'm a right child, but I just don't cook. I'm a takeaway boy.
So when Reggie leaves Jamaica, we're gonna leave him on a island by himself,
I reckon I could survive.
and he's gonna survive it.
And it's definitely going to come one day on this channel. Probably with Nigel, because he's the man for it. We're going to survive on an island. And all we're going to have is, like, all we can do is bring like 2 things, like a lighter and a knife.
Yeah.
Whatever you pick, all we can have is 2 things. You can maybe like 1 lifeline, like, I don't know. Like, I'm a, who wants to be a millionaire? Who wants to be a millionaire?
Alright, so what we're gonna do now, like the skin, I think we're gonna be creative with our jerk chicken.
Yeah, I was
'Cause here,
thinking that, yeah.
here in Jamaica we like to be creative. So
I
we're
was
gonna
thinking
add
that.
some of these skin to the jerk pan over
Yeah,
there.
that'd be sweet.
So with the pineapple now we're gonna remove all these stems. So the way we do it, we like cut. Remove. You just continue that process till everything, till all of those that removed from it. I'm not a professional pine peeler,
Yeah.
but I can do my thing. as a pine man.
As a pine man. See me, I'd probably just cut it like that and just.
Just like that. Got that.
Yeah, it looks tasty.
Look at that. I did that. Reggie did that.
No, you did that. But I reckon you are a professional pine peeler, mate. That's like Michelin style. It's fancy, mate. That does.
Yeah, man. Fancy peeling.
It is.
So we're gonna know we are cut it. Make Reggie some please. Here you go, mate.
So good.
It's good, right? Yes, no man, as the pine man. It's juicy and nice, man, Reg. Right, the jerk come on nice. So me there now, oops. Go wash that off. You have the pineapple skin. Yeah, put it on the jerk. Just like that.
You got flavours now.
Yeah, man, look at it. Looking
Sexual.
yeah, look at that.
Wow.
Yeah. Chicken a jerk. Nigel is a chef, man. Look at that. Reg. Right now, I think I go add one next piece of chicken to it. Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna make Reg add on piece more of the chicken to it. But right off, yeah, so.
Oh, what you want?
Yeah, you are gonna hold it. Take the fur. You're gonna put the leg on tie. Come around this side. You're gonna put it right there. So take out. Alright, give me this. Hold the pan. Yeah, so get the leg on tie. And put
This one and what, these two?
No, just that one.
Just this one?
Yeah. Yeah. Believe it. We're jerking on a island here in Jamaica.
Oh, mate, that's so good. Just that one, yeah?
Yeah, just that one. Believe it. Let me see in the pan. Yeah.
Real cooker, man.
Real cooker, man. Believe it, no, man. Alright, so what you are going now, people? We have one red stripe here, or we are gonna add to it, like spray it over the chicken, like so. Right? To give it even some more flavor. Come in, we are gonna pull the beer. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, just like that.
Yeah? That's good, yeah?
Yeah, that's it. That's it.
That was
that's
perfect,
the way.
wasn't it? That was
yeah,
good.
that was perfect, man.
was good.
Perfect shot. Look at that.
Yeah, looks good.
Yeah. Just like that. Yeah. Let's flip this side. Woo!
Naughty.
Yeah.
This one was a new one, wasn't it?
Yeah, this one was a new one. Just like that. Alright, I come up with an idea with the chicken. Look here. I'm showing you what I'm going. Have the bucket over it. You know, so when you have jerk chicken, you have a jerk pan lock. Look at that. Believe it. So I decided to put the bucket over the chicken. Feet jerk. In at the tree. I'm a jerk spot this. Look na man. Lift it up again, I'm gonna see what's going on. Woo! Lock down back the jerk pan. You see it? Believe it. Seaside. Me go do now, me go make some sauce to dip the chicken in. So we have the ketchup and we're gonna use the rest of the beer. With the jerk sauce we did there already. Mix it up. So we are going with the ketchup. Just like that. Right, and now we're gonna mix it up.
What are you doing here then?
Alright, so this is the sauce that we make. So you see these chicken that jerk, we just dip them back into this and then back to the grill. Alright? Just like that. So we're going to cover it up back with our jug, our bucket right there. And let it do its thing, alright? Just like that. Cover it up back. Now we can do it thing. So chicken is ready, guys. We only have 2 more leave on the fire, right, Reg?
Yeah, I got 2 pieces left.
Yeah, man. So chicken is ready. We're gonna devour this and have some swim and go and chill and build our vibes, alright? As a jerk survival guys on a island.
Remote island.
Remote island, believe it. Keep it well jerk. Look, I just cut this. See it? Jerk chicken. Look at that. Jerk chicken. Jerk chicken and
Oi,
pine.
oi, oi, oi.
Tell me a taste.
So good.
Yeah, guys. Real weird. How is it, bro?
So good.
Spicy, right?
Yeah, a little bit.
Oh.
Nice. Here we go. Spicy.
Yo, it's spicy, bro.
Can handle my heat.
Yeah, man. Reggie has said it's not spicy, it's not that spicy, but to me, and I am a Jamaican, spicy. That type of jerk season we use still. But it's shot. Tastes good. No one piece? Here you go.
Yeah, you want some?
Look at that. Can't get better than this, guys.
Yeah, you can't beat this.
Yeah, man, you can't beat this. This is real life nature. Yo, guys, I was here dying with pepper and Reggie was like, no, it's not spicy, man. It's not spicy, you're soft. Look at Reggie now. Look at Reg now.
It's hot, mate, I'll tell you that. It's bloody hot.
Yo, Reggie's over here burning up with pepper. Look at Reggie's face.
She's toasty.
I was telling Reggie that it's hot. Reggie's like, no, mate, it's not hot, man. You're soft, man. Now look at Reg. Who's the soft one? That's it, go back, guys. We're just out here having some fun. I finished mine, is just bone. I have I have 2 more on the grill that I'm gonna look at right now as I speak. Reg, eat some of the pineapple with it, Reg. Eat some of the pineapple. The pineapple will help you with the heat. So we have these 2 leaves. That is jerkin. Yeah. It's almost time for us to leave the island, but we're gonna have some swim and just chill a little bit more. I think the boat guy gonna come for us soon. Chicken was great, so right now we are gonna hold some swim and chill till the boat come back for it. Alright? Me I go right here saying I water. Yeah! In my pocket. Woo! Yeah! Woo! That is it. There's a pelican bird right here, there's a fish there right here, so Reggie. Should I carry a fishing rod and catch 2 fish we put on the grill too. Yeah. Alright, so we are leaving the island now, guys. So we are going on mainland here now.
We survived the island. We had the food. Yeah, we survived.
Yeah, man,
we survived.
Yeah. So we survived the island. So we are head out now. The boat is here. Nice. Goodbye to the island. But sometimes I wonder if the boat I go fly. Look at the boat I live here now. Your bird. We're back on the mainland. It was a great experience. We have a wonderful time. We do some jerk chicken, as you guys see. It turned out really delicious. It was spicy, I'm not gonna lie. For me it was spicy. Reggie said never spicy, but at the end, man, Reggie was dying. Yeah,
But it shows me how to survive on an island though. I've now learned how to cook jerk chicken, and I've learned how to survive on my own if I really need to.
Yeah, so wanna stay tuned for the next vlog, cause the next vlog I will be crazy again, alright? So big up on yourself, enough love and respect, and thank everyone that's come from over Risky Reg channel to mine. Big up on yourself, welcome. Alright, anything you want to say to them, Reg?
Stay risky.
Stay risky. Believe it.